morning children. In today's class we are going to learn about rank of a word. Suppose I am giving you A-R-T, art. A-R-T, art. How all we can permute to bring about the three-letter words? Given a word A-R-T, three letters, how all can I permute? A-R-T, A-T-R, R-A-T, R-T-A, like this we have written. This is alphabetical order arrangement. Out of the three letters, this is first rank in alphabet, and this is 2 and this is 3. My question is, find the rank of the word T-A-R. See, when I write it in order, A-R-T will be first in my alphabetical order. Then reverse. Then after A-R will come R-A-T and then R-T-A. T-A-R and T-R-A. When is T-A-R coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th rank. So rank of this word is 5. Like this. Can you be writing? If I am given mart, smart, there are 5 letters. Can you be writing all the 120 words? No, that is difficult. So to find a word using the given letters, if there are 5 letters, first you put the rank. This is A first and then M will come, R, S, T. So 5 letters are there. Arranging the 5 letters, I get 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 120 such words. In that, I may ask you any of the words. Say I am asking you M-A-R-T-S. What is the rank of this word? For which I have to write A starting. After A, according to my order, what will come? A-M will come. Then what will come? So like that I have to keep on arranging all the 120 words and then find where marks is coming like this order, which is difficult. So we have to think of a method. So in this exercise we are going to learn a method to find the rank of a word when the letters of the given word is written in alphabetical order. See, this is a simple problem. When I give you A-R-T, only 3 letters, so only 6 possible arrangements. But when there are more letters, definitely we need a procedure. We'll see to it now. Exercise 4.2, question number 16. If the letters of the word garden are permuted in all possible ways, the strings thus formed are arranged in the dictionary order. Then find the rank of garden. So in dictionary, we arrange in alphabetical order. So whatever is the word given, our first step is to write it in alphabetical order. That is A, then D, E, G, A, D, E, G, and then N, finally R. Alphabetical order, when I arrange, the first letter would be A. The remaining 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which is 120. Once all the words using A is over, then let me start with D. My question is not starting with D. So if I forget D, the remaining 5 letters, same argument, 5 places, 5 letters. Arrange in 5 factorial ways, that is again 120. The next letter is E. Now forget E. The remaining 5 letters in the 5 boxes, 5 factorial, that is 120 again. Now the letter is G. According to the alphabetical order, it is G. My question also starts with G. If I come to the question, immediately you go on to the second letter. After G, A will come in alphabetical order. My question also A only is coming. Then G is over, A is over. The next letter D will come. But in my question D is not coming. So G, A, D if it comes. G, A, D. The remaining 3 letters in the 3 boxes, 3 factorial ways, 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. The next, G, A, D over tells me G, A, E. So the next letter is G, A, E. My question is not having G, A, E. So the remaining 3 boxes, 3 factorial ways, that is 6. Once G, A, D over, G, A, E over, next comes G, A, N. So now also, my question is not having N here. So G, A, N. Again 3 are there, 3 factorial ways, which is 6. The next idea, G, A, D over, E over, N over. Now I go on to R. Once I go with G, A, R. Alphabetical order G, A, R. My question also G, A, R. So go with the next letter G, A, R over. Alphabetical order also D, E, N only will come. My question also D, E, N. So I will write G, A, R, D, E, N, one arrangement, which is nothing but 1. Add it all, and this tells me rank of the word. So rank of garden is the total of 120, 120, 120, 360 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1. So it is 379. If I rearrange the letters of the word garden in alphabetical order, I order it in the dictionary. With A, there are 120 words. Starting with D, 120 words. Starting with E, 120. So when garden will come as a 379th word, and that is what we call as rank of it. So rank of garden is 379. The second subsection, we have danger. How to form that word danger? Again we shall write the alphabetical order, that is A, D, E, G, N, R. The same pattern we will fill the boxes. A starts, my word is danger, which starts with D. So A will not affect the remaining 5 boxes in 5 factorial ways, which tells me 120. The second, after A, D will come in alphabetical order. D comes, then I will go with the next letter A. D only the question also. Once I put A, question also DA only is coming. So after D and A, according to the order, E will come, but question some other letter. So fill the 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3 boxes, 3 factorial ways, 1 into 2 into 3, 6. After D, A, E, D, A, E over means next letter G. So D, A, G will come. D, A, G is not my question. So the remaining 3 boxes, 3 factorial ways, that is 6. D, A, E over, D, A, G over, then D, A, N will come. D, A, N comes. D, A, N only, my question also. So go with the next letter. D, A, N, according to the order, E will come. Remaining there are 2 places, so 2 factorial, that is 2. The next, D, A, N, E also over means next letter G. Question also G only. So go on to the next letter. D, A, N, G over, the next letter is E. and last the letter is R. So this is the word which is in one way. What is the total? This tells me rank of the word danger. Total and check how much you get. 132, 134, 135. So when we arrange the letters of the word garden in alphabetical order, garden ranks 379 whereas danger ranks 135. So rank of the word danger is 135. To find the rank of garden, we use another easy method. Garden. This is the word given. Put the rank of each letter. According to the order, A will come first, and then D, then E, next comes G, then N, and then R. The 6 alphabets, we write the rank in alphabetical order. So we have A first, then D, then E, then G, then N, then R. Now, when I come here, below 4, check how many numbers are there below 4. 1, 2, 3 numbers, put 3 here. Below 1, there is no number, so put 0. Below 6, 1, 2, 3 numbers are below 6, put 3. Next comes below 2, no number is below 2, so put 0. Below 3, no number is below 3, put 0. Below 5 also no number, put 0. The next step, put factorial in order. Starting from here, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. The next idea, we multiply. What is 5 factorial actually? 120. 4 factorial, 24. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This is 1 into 2 into 3, 6. This is 1 into 2, 2. 1 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is also 1. Multiply these two numbers. 3 into 120, I get 316. Plus 0 into 24, 0. Plus 3 into 6, 18. Plus 0 into 2, 0 into 1, 0 into 1. After doing this, add 1. This plus 1 tells me the last word that I achieve while doing. So this gives me the total is 379. Both are correct methods only. This we have done according to ADE, starting like that way. This is another easy method. You can check these two. 3 120s only we are doing here. 3 into 120. 3 6 are coming. 3 6 we have multiplied. The last word that we have achieved is 1. So we are adding 1. So after doing all this, add 1 and this gives me rank. So take and write rank of the word garden as we write in dictionary is 379. Those who find this method difficult can also try by this. To find the rank of danger using the second method. As we have written the word danger, let us put rank for each letter. A first, and then D, then E, G, N, R. So we have put the rank. The next step, below 2. Check which number is below 2. 1 number. Put 1. Below 1, no number is below 1, so 0. 5. Below 5, there are 2 numbers. Put 2. Below 4, there is 1 number. Put 1. Below 3, there is no number. 0. Below 6 also no number. 0. Now put the factorial starting from here. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Write the value. 0 factorial is 1. 1 factorial is also 1. 2 factorial 1 into 2. 3 factorial 1 into 2 into 3. 4 factorial 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply 24. 5 factorial 120. As I have written, let us multiply these two. 1 into 120, I get 120. Plus 0 into 24, 0. 2 into 6, 12. 1 into 2, 2. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Add 1. So the total is 134 plus 1. 135. Take and write rank of the word danger. We get 135. Already we did first method where we got 135 only. So whichever method you prefer, you can try. Exercise 4.2, question number 17. Find the number of strings that can be made using all the letters of the word thing. T-H-I-N-G. If these are written as in dictionary, what will be the 85th string? Thing. How many letters are there? 5 distinct letters. So we can arrange them in 5 factorial ways, that is 120 strings can be written. The second question is, what will be the 85th string? As we find the factorial ways, let us check when 85 is coming, and that will be the particular word for the question. So very first thing, we will arrange it in alphabetical order. So what is the first letter that I get? T-H-I-N-G. The first letter is G-H-I-N-T. So we have written the given letters in alphabetical order. G-H-I-N-T. There are 5 letters, so 5 boxes we have put. If G starts, the remaining 4 can arrange themselves in 4 factorial, that is 24. My question is 85. 24 is not sufficient. So go towards the next letter. The next letter is H. If H starts, again 4 boxes are there. I can fill the 4 remaining letters in 4 factorial. I get 24. Adding this 48 only I get. The rank given is 85. So proceed one more. What is the next letter? G over, H over, then I. If I starts, the remaining 4 letters can arrange themselves in 4 factorial, that is 24. Adding all, I get 72. I cannot put one more 24, because if I put one more 24, it will become 96. But my question is 85. So the next letter G-H-I over N. N I cannot stop, because if I put 4 factorial, I get more than this rank. So go to the second letter, N over. The remaining G-H-I-T, I can put G. N and G over, remaining 3 letters. Can I put 3 factorial? 3 factorial gives me 6. 72 plus 6, 78. So I can put it. I want 85. Till I get 85, I must proceed. What is the next thing? After N and G are over, go with N and H. NG over, then NH. Can I put 3 factorial? 72 plus 6, 78. Yes, I can put one more 6. I am not reaching 85. So 3 boxes, 3 letters, 3 factorial ways, which is 6. 72 plus 6, 78. 78 plus 6, 84 I have attempted. My question is 85. So only one word I must write here so that my answer is 1 and the total is 85. So what will be the next word? NG over NH over. So my next word is NI. If I complete N and I, remaining letters, if I write it in order, GHT. Because I can write only one more word. This itself gives me 84. Maximum I can write one word. So the remaining write it in order. NG over NH over. So I am writing NI. After NI, the remaining I write in order. I get NIGHT. So we will take and write 85th string is nothing but NIGHT. So the question is find the 85th string and we have found out the word. The word is night. Question number 18. If the letters of the word funny are permuted in all possible ways and the strings thus formed are arranged in the dictionary order, find the rank of the word funny. Given word is F-U-N-N-Y. Let us arrange it in alphabetical order. F, N, N, U and then Y. F starts. In the order F comes, the required word also F only. So go on to the second letter, that is N. If F and N are starting, here N is not required, U. So if F and N are starting, the remaining three letters, three boxes. So 3 factorial ways, that is 6. The next order, once F and N are over, I go with FU. F and U are over. The question also FU only. So go on to the next letter N, question also N, again N, Y. So the word itself is formed, which is one way. So we have 1 and the total is 7. So we can say rank of the word funny is 7. Second method to find the rank of the word funny. F number 1, N number 2, then U 3 and then Y 4. Below 1 no number, so 0. Below 3 there are 2 2s, so put 2. Below 2 no number 0, below 2 no number 0, below 4 no number 0. When you are writing factorial, the very important is any repetition is there, divide. Here I put 0 factorial, 1, 2, 3, 4 factorials. But below 3 there are 2 2s. So here divide by 2 factorial. How many times repeated? 2 times. So divide by 2 factorial. Below n, here also from n there are 2 2s. So here also divide by 2 factorial. After that there is no repetition. So at 3 there are 2 2s, divide by 2 factorial. At 2 also there are 2 2s, so divide by 2 factorial and then find out and then add 1. So when I find out the product, my answer is 0 factorial 1, 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial by 2 factorial 1, 3 factorial by 2 factorial, 6 by 2 is 3, 4 factorial is 24. Multiply this and this. 0 into 24, 0 plus 2 3s are 6. 0 into 0 into 0 into plus 1. So that will be the rank. We get 7. Here also we get the same answer. Take and write it. Rank of the word funny equals to 7. You can try any of the method, but here when repetition comes, remember to divide by that factorial. Question number 19. Find the sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 when repetitions are not allowed. So we have the formula list. Sum of all r-digit numbers that can be formed using the given n non-zero digits. The formula goes like this: multiplying n minus 1 p r minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1111 up to r times. How am I to apply in this problem? Look at the first line. My question is sum of all. So this formula is to find the sum of all such numbers. How many digit number? 4. How many digit number you take as r? How many digits are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are non-zero, so I can use this formula. So 5 digits are given, so n is equal to 5. To apply in this formula, I want to find these three things. n minus 1 p r minus 1. What is n minus 1? 5 minus 1 p, r minus 1 is 4 minus 1, that is 4p3. How to find 4p3? 4 into 3 into 2 and my answer is 24. Sum of the digits. These are the digits given. Sum means total it all. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. What is the total? 15. I want to write ones r times. Here r is 4, implies I should write 4 ones. Now the formula I can substitute. What is my answer? Sum of 4-digit numbers using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is multiply it all. n minus 1 p r minus 1, 24. Sum of the digits 15. 111 r times I get 4 ones. Multiply it all and write the answer. So your answer is 39960. Either you can directly multiply or you can use logarithm and simplify the answer. Question number 20. Find the sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8 without repetitions. The sum of r-digit numbers that can be formed using the given n digits with one of the digits 0. In the previous problem, we had all non-zero numbers, but here one number is 0. If that is the case, the previous formula minus n minus 2 p r minus 2 sum of the digits 111 up to r minus 1 times. In this question, what is r? 4-digit number. What is n? 5 digits are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum of the digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. The total is 22. Now we shall substitute in the formula. So sum of all 4-digit numbers equal to n minus 1 p r minus 1 4p3 into sum of the digits 22 into how many ones? R times. R is 4. 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 ones I have to put. Minus the second one. N minus 2p R minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. R minus 2, 2. into sum of the digits 22. Now 111 r minus 1 times r is 4, r minus 1 is 3. So 3 ones I have to put. Find out the calculation, simplify the answer. Four P3, 4 into 3 into 2, 22, 4 ones. 3 into 2, 22, 3 ones. Multiply, subtract and you get 571956. That is the answer.